Hello friends, in this video we will create a rectangle. For this we need to find rectangle tool which is right at the bottom. See here. Select it by clicking it. Then click at any point in your document and without leaving your mouse just drag. See, there you go, you have created your first shape inside Photoshop. I have told you previously that on the right hand side we have various panels which are for management purpose. I will tell you why I have told you these are for management purpose. Let's explore these panels one by one. At the bottom we have layers panel. If you don't see the layers panel, go to the window menu, select it, make sure your layers panel is checked. Okay. Now let's come to layers panel. Here you can manage layers. At the bottom of each panel you can see there are various buttons. Whenever you hover over each button, it is telling you what it is used for. See, delete layer, create a new layer, create a new group, create new fill or adjustment layer. Now one thing you can notice that we have a layer named rectangle 1. This symbolizes this rectangle. Now when we create a new rectangle, a new layer will be created in layers panel named rectangle 2. See, here it is. We have an additional layer named background. This is the background of your document. Now if you don't like the color of the rectangle, you can change it. How? For each layer we have a thumbnail and then we have name. Double click on the thumbnail. Now we have selected rectangle 2 and we want to change the color of rectangle 2. So double click on the thumbnail. See, now we have numerous options. Once you are happy, click the OK button. That's it. You have changed the color of your rectangle. One thing I should tell you that before changing the color or anything, make sure that layer is selected. Say for example, you want to change the color of rectangle 1. You cannot do that by selecting rectangle 2. So you have to come and select rectangle 1. Now double click on the thumbnail. Say you want to make it somewhere around orange. Okay, like this. You can change the color of the rectangle in another way. Here you can see swatches panel. Okay, there are many colors which are already there. Choosing from all of these colors sometimes becomes very difficult because you want some specific color. Okay, so you can do that by using swatches. Swatches are very important whenever it comes to project. I would like to make this orange color and select OK. Right? There is another way of changing color of the rectangle. Under the menu, see, there are many things. What are these? These are the properties of selected layer. See, we have selected rectangle 1. These are the properties of rectangle 1. Width 426 pixel. If you don't like, you can change it. See, I want to make it 450. And I want the height to be 150. See, now we have changed. There are many other things. Stroke, fill. Now you can ask, what is fill? Fill means color. See, change it to blue. So from here also you can change the color. Now you can ask, what is stroke? Stroke means border. This symbol means none. But you can give a stroke. This is blue color. I want to give an orange stroke like this, or red one. Make this stroke bigger to make it noticeable. Okay. You can even change like this. Now it's looking little bit good, but it's okay. You can change it whatever you want. Another thing is that you can provide some default styles which are inside styles panel. See, here is the styles panel. For providing style to your rectangle, make sure your rectangle is selected and select any of the style you want to provide. See, like this, or this, or this. There are many default styles. I like this one. Your choice may be different, but it's okay. This one is also cool, but some roughness is there. It's okay. There are many free styles which you can get from internet. You don't have to worry about that. I will provide you many styles and also provide you links to the resources from where you can download and you can use it. I will tell you regarding all of this later. You don't have to worry about this now. So I am finishing this video here only. In our next video, we will create rounded rectangle and square.